Welcome to the heart of our planet, the Amazon rainforest. Spanning over 9 countries, it's the world's largest tropical rainforest, a true titan of biodiversity. It's home to an estimated 400,000 species of plants, 2.5 million insect species, not to mention the countless unique mammals and birds. But the Amazon is more than just a wildlife sanctuary. It's our planet's lungs, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. Yet it's under threat. Deforestation, illegal mining, and climate change are jeopardizing its existence. The Amazon's survival is our survival. Remember, every breath you take, every drop of water you drink, the Amazon is there, silently contributing. Protect it, cherish it. Until next time, breathe easy and think green.